Good morning. 5/14/2019, time 6:52 a.m. Market's been open 20 minutes. This is Netflix, NFLX, right here, right now. We have that gap, and then we have that short, and we're coming down. So we're going to be taking a look at the call contracts. Right now, this is the Panther application. Each one of these lines are 1/16th, and they're 70 cents. Math doesn't lie. The intraday range is below 25 here in Panther application. And we can see what it's like to trade the opening bell. We can see what it's like to trade the $340 call as an entry. And here we are. And the diamonds are high frequency robots. They're bots. We own them. We built it. And to keep up with HFT. So this is where the opening bell and the very first 30 minutes right here. Once again, the actual bounce right here is going to be weak, but we're going to focus on the opening bell within the 30-minute time frame on Netflix and see what it's like with the $340 call option and how to use a call chart.
Hmm.
This is a call chart on Netflix on the opening bell. $340 call that got down here, and this is a call chart. And this is where they took the contract on the opening bell, and they brought it straight down here to $7.60. As far as the call chart goes, which is an intraday, it's a 15-minute candle chart with the options of the 340 strike price and whatnot, how to trade that opening bell, how to buy that lower trend, and we're going to show now, we're going to go back to Panther. We can clearly see here now at a 33 IR, it's not weak. So the gap was a sell. They pull it back down. And now we're going to test this diamond right here. So this is how an opening bell, opening gap bell with a short, how to then do the following. On this call chart is buying the calls right now and whatnot. And that's the 340 strike price that we have rolling right here. So we're going to come back to it. Here we are with that Netflix straight down, and we're coming straight right up. There's a 45 IR. It's above that. It's at 51. It's 70 cents a teeny. Each line is 70 cents. The diamonds are bots that we own, and we made these to track high frequency technology. How to buy on the opening bell with a call option of the 340 on Netflix. This is a level 2, and we're at $9.50 by 970 on the 340 call on Netflix. So once again, by using the call chart to get to the bottom, to get that entry and understand what the stock trend's about, because you got to know what the stock trend is going to do before you can really trade options. That's why we're showing this here right now. It's live. It's here. Join us. We're at 935 on the bid on the option, 960 on the offer out. So we're going to go back to the chart now, and we're going to pull up that call chart so you can see it. Here's the deal. I'm going to show this very clearly, is that on the 3-minute chart on the opening bell with Netflix, and here we are right here. Left elbow gap down, we come straight right up here mathematically at 70 cents per line in our system. We're going to have trouble when Netflix comes up here. So when getting the entry on that 340 call, you got to be fast, real fast. This is a 15-minute Netflix 340 call. And we give out the orders down here at the low. So the low, as we can see it here very clearly, was an extremely good buy. $7.65 is the low of the 340 call. And we have a $2 bounce. So when you do get the limit order to get in on the call contract, when it's gapping down in value, we hit that trade exactly right here. Now it's $2 off of the low on the $340 call on Netflix. Knowing how to get out using a call chart, using the stock chart, and understanding why the price is going to move and why you're going to make money by trading the $340 call. The stock market's been open 37 minutes, it's 5:14. It's the opening bell by buying the 340 call down here, and this is where the high was. So the people that owned them up there, that high was at the time, we were way up here at $12 a contract, and we're buying down here wholesale. And now we're $2 up. So the value dropped all the way down here. The entry happens there. The stock chart itself, which we're going to show next, again, we're going to go back over to the Netflix 3-minute chart in our trading app. It's right here. And we can clearly see that that IR is weak, and it is. And each one of these lines that you see with these diamonds on the 3-minute chart, we own this. This is our stuff that we built. It's a market maker app. So you can see here exactly how correct it is. 70 cents, 70 cents, that's $1.40, and so forth. And we're going to exit the trade based on the fact that we're at a 45 IR on the opening bell, buying the 340 call on Netflix.